today in Chapultepec Park. This is a must-see place if you come to Mexico City. There's so many things to do and see here. They have a castle, there's I think 10 museums, there's botanical gardens. Now, if you saw my exotic food video, you saw me eat chapulines, which are grasshoppers. Chapultepec actually means grasshopper hill in the Nahuatl language, and you're going to see a lot of references to that, especially in the castle. It's super easy to get here. You can take the bus or you can take the metro, line 1, the pink line, to Chapultepec station, and it'll take you right to the front entrance. I'm making my way now to the entrance of the Castillo de Chapultepec, the Chapultepec Castle, and you can see there's a lot of vendors setting up with souvenirs. There's a ton of street food here as well. And as I mentioned, there's a lot of museums that are here in Chapultepec Park, and it's going to be about $5 entrance for each one, but some museums are actually free on different days of the week, so that's something to look into if you want a museum hop. And it's also important to know that on Mondays, a lot of museums in the whole city are going to be closed. So it is going to be a small walk up a hill. I mean, it's Grasshopper Hill, but it seems to be pretty accessible for most people. Wheelchairs, and I see someone with a baby buggy up ahead. So the symbol of the eagle with the snake in his mouth is historically significant for Mexico, which is why you can see that on the Mexican flag. It represents a vision that the Aztec leaders had, that when they see this eagle with a snake in its mouth, that's when they know they've reached like their promised land, which they saw eventually, and that is where Mexico City came from, Tenochtitlan originally.
La pandemia no ha terminado. Si te cuidas tú, nos cuidamos todos.
Out here on the terrace is really amazing. You can see so much of the city, and even in the far side you can see the Angel of Independence. This outside area with, I don't know if it's the floors or the flowers, but it makes me feel kind of like Alice in Wonderland. So I didn't actually know that this was also the residence of Porfirio Diaz, one of Mexico's presidents. Look at the size of these. They're huge. So now I'm going to head in the general direction of one of the lakes and the National Museum of Anthropology. I'm probably going to stop at one of these places along the way and get some street food though. So they actually have a little food court here, sort of in the middle of the park. They've got everything on the menu. Tlayudas, which is Oaxacan food, tacos, I ordered quesadillas, and they're making fresh squeezed fruit juice as well back here. So good. So there's actually a zoo here as well. I'm just passing it now on my way to the Museum of Anthropology. There also used to be an amusement park here. I'm not sure which section. There's 3 sections of this park and it's huge. But apparently it got shut down because people were getting injured there. And then another really cool thing is that there's a cave here somewhere where they believe it's the entrance to the underworld. So you can only go in if you're of Aztec or Mexica heritage. I don't know the ins and outs of it because I can't go in, so I'm not gonna go there, but I think that's pretty neat. I've just arrived to the Museum of Anthropology. From the area that we're in, I would assume it'd be mostly Aztec artifacts, but I just read a sign that said there's Mayan artifacts as well, so maybe it's from all over Mexico. So I've just gotten a map of all the exhibits here. This place is huge, and they do have exhibits from all over Mexico. And then they have a second floor with ethnography. So I'm not gonna lie, I kind of thought I would just pop in, pop out, see some artifacts, and then be done. But there's so many exhibits here. I've only seen 2 so far, and it's really, really cool. Wow, that place was so big. And I'm really surprised actually that some of the exhibits were really big, or some of the artifacts. I know that they had replicas of like the way that they lived and things like that, but some of the stone pieces were clearly original. So I'm about to head back to the entrance through the botanical gardens, but first, coffee. There's a Starbucks here. So I'm in the botanical garden now. This is going to be my last stop today, but just to give you an idea again of how big this park is, I've been walking around for hours and I've only been in section 1. There's 3 sections. So that's going to finish today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing some more of Mexico City, especially the natural part of it. I really think Mexico City is one of the greenest cities that I've ever been to. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe, and I'll have more Mexico videos out soon.